Hello, my name is Dara O'Grady, and I'll be one of your course tutors on the Dara Idiomas teacher training course. May I wish you a very warm welcome to the course. In this introductory video, I'll be telling you a little bit about the course objectives. So firstly, we expect that by the end of this course, you will have acquired the basic teaching knowledge, that is what you know, information, and the practical teaching skills that you'll need to teach English as a foreign language, both face-to-face and online. We also expect that you'll be able to work in Mexico, Latin America, and other countries, taking into account the international educational trends at the moment, as well as national requirements. And finally, one of the aims of this course is for you to be able to sit and pass any of the exams out there aimed at inexperienced teachers and teachers with experience who are still developing. So may I wish you a very warm welcome to this course. I look forward very much to seeing you over the coming weeks and months. Please enjoy and learn a lot.